Hello, today I'm going to be trying the Superman cake batter cookie dough blizzard. This was $5. They do have a mini for $4.99. Don't know when Dairy Queen got so expensive, but I guess everywhere is. I do like the blue color. Right away got a cookie dough piece, which makes me happy. Okay, I'm liking it. I know the blue is probably just food coloring for the Superman effect. I definitely got to get a better angle for my my YouTube reviews because it really shows off how fat I am lately. But it's okay, guys. It's okay to be a fat ass sometimes. I'm liking this, guys. Anything cookie dough, though, I love. I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. It's a good score. If it was $4, it'd be an 8.5 out of 10. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm excited to see this movie, by the way.